All classes are grouped, so instead of selecting individual points, we can select groups of points for manual classification. Selections can be made in three ways: highlight, hide, and remove. In highlight mode, the selected groups are highlighted, but they are still visible. In hide mode, the selected groups simply disappear and also let the cursor see the area below them, a very handy feature for cleaning artifacts. In remove mode, only the selected groups are shown, and if one selects a groups in this mode, they will be deselected, which is useful for correcting selection errors. The radius of the selection cursor can be adjusted according to the task. Some groups are easy to classify, just be selecting them, but others may require trimming. Some trimming examples are shown here using a variety of the modes mentioned above.